I'm recording, Scout. I see you're still relaxing with your foot, your left foot on the chair there, Scout. My left paw. It's a paw, Grandma? Or it's a foot, Grandma? Well, you can call it whatever you want, Scout. Okay. My left foot, Grandma. Because I'm a child, Grandma. Have feet. You're... Come down from your high chair there, Scout. Let me come down with the common people. Okay, Papa. What are we doing this time? What are you going to show me now? What's going on? Well, I'll show you in just a minute, Scout. This will be interesting. You're going to learn something. Ah. Educational. Ah. Something like that, Scott. Something like that. But we're just waiting for Grandma. Hey. Grandma's... Oh, Grandma's washing dishes. Oh, Grandma's stirring rice. Let's bring your little chair so you can bend back. You can put the little chair there. Lean on your little chair. Okay, Scout. You ready, Scout? Okay, Scout.
Let's see the education
Let's
class.
see. Okay.
Oh, you came here.
Where is it? All right. Okay, Scout. This is a master lock combination padlock. When was the last time you ever used this, Scout? Never, Papa. Never. I don't know what it is. Well, now you know, Scout. It's a master lock combination padlock. Let's get a...
I never liked those because I get confused.
There it is. It has numbers on it that go all the way to 39 and then it stops at 0. And then it unlocks here and you can put stuff to secure things with, Scout. All right, we don't have anything to attach it to, but okay. So, Grandma.
Yes.
Well, when was the last time you ever opened one, Grandma?
I don't know. It's been a long time. It's been,
Really, Grandma?
last time was, I don't know. It's been so long.
Wait, hold on, you record. Okay, so I'm just going to show you how I'm going to open it. Are you paying attention, Stan? Let me do it in front of Scout. There, so you Scouts can see. Right. So all right. So I spin it like 3 times. By the way, the combination is 2, 12, 2. All right. So I spin it 3 times, and on the 3rd time I land on 2, right? Because I'm going, and then I spin it to the left, and I make sure to pass the 0, and I step on 12, and then I turn to the right and stop on 2, and then voila!
Oh, that was
It is open. Wow, you made it look so easy. Now, can Grandma do it?
No.
That's what we want to know. So I'm gonna lock it up, and then they're just there. So we made some instructions, Scout.
Grandma.
We made some instructions. All right, Grandma. Grandma, we put the instructions right there, Grandma. Let's see if you can
Spin 3
Grandma.
times. Like this.
Yes, Grandma. Counter. I mean, that's clockwise. Yes,
Okay.
clockwise. I'm sorry. What? Yeah, clockwise. No,
2.
Grandma's going counterclockwise. See, I threw Grandma off by saying the word counter, but Grandma followed
Which
it
way?
correctly.
Okay, this.
So spin right,
I already
spin
did
to the
it.
right 3 times.
I think I already did
Clockwise. So to the right, spin it to the right 3 times. Just spin it
this
to the
way.
right. To your right. To your right. 1. There's no. Yeah, 2 and 3, and then look for.
Oh, we have
yeah.
to look like this.
Yeah, then stop on 2. Now,
Okay.
yeah, keep going, but stop on the 2 this time.
Okay. This is 2.
Yeah, stop on, and then remember.
Is that 2?
Okay, and then the next step.
Okay, the next step is stop on 2, turn left, pass,
Yeah,
and stop on 12. Pass,
it's past
Stop.
0. No, it says, did you turn
Ah,
left?
pass 0 and these
And stop
notes
on-
are not okay.
Whoa.
Pass 0 and stop on 12.
Papa.
This
No, left.
the other way.
Left.
Okay.
Yeah. Remember, left. So you're gonna you
Pass 0. I
and
haven't
then
passed
stop
0.
on and then stop on 12.
Okay.
Yeah.
Pass 0. Oh, I get so nervous. That's 0 and stop on 12.
Stop on 12, Grandma.
I think that's 12.
Okay.
And then turn right. Turn right and stop on 2.
Sounds simple enough, Grandma.
Turn right and stop on 2.
Just stop on, turn right, stop on 2. Remember?
I get so
Keep
nervous.
going, Grandma. Keep going.
Right there.
Grandma.
That's 2.
Grandma, let's see if you defuse the bomb, Grandma.
Grandma
did.
it. Grandma did it.
Whoa.
Wow, Grandma.
Can't believe I did
Wow.
it. And I was so nervous trying to follow
Grandma.
this directions.
Well, Grandma, now we know, Grandma, if they ever do a combination lock, Grandma, and it's a bomb, Grandma,
No,
you
I
can
like
defuse
it.
it, Grandma.
No, I like the key type. I don't like these things. I never buy this because I get.
Grandma.
I'm afraid once I lock it, how do I know how to? Let me see.
Grandma.
You just do it right. Let me see if I can do it again. Let's see. Spin right 3 times. 1,
We'll see.
2. It won't lock. Maybe.
Oh, was
Oh, I hadn't locked it. Okay. Okay. 1, 2, 3, and then you go and stop. Pass 2. Pass 2 and stop at 12. Pass 2 and stop at 12. Okay, let's see if I can do it. Okay. 12. Now turn the other way and pass 2 and stop at no, stop on 2. Pass.
Those are really good instructions.
Pass 12.
Thank you, Scout.
Pass 2 and stop on 12.
We'll see.
See if I did it right. Okay, I should real.
I think Grandma missed a step or
I
something.
did
Grandma.
something wrong.
Grandma, I'm gonna be right here, Grandma. Grandma. Grandma, can you?
Okay.
Grandma, keep the camera on me, Grandma.
Okay.
Keep the camera
This is so
on
hard.
me.
Look, I'm gonna put the
Okay.
instructions there for a bit that I did, that Grandma got right the first time.
Yes.
But we'll see what went wrong.
I did something wrong. But I did wrong 3 times. That's my idea.
And Papa's back. Okay, Grandma.
Now that's a good one. That's my kind of thing.
All right, Scout. So this is what these are the kind of this is just a padlock
This is
with,
what I
with a
like.
key.
Yes. Now give me this one. You see, Scout? This is the kind
Oh, Grandma's having trouble. Grandma's having
Have you
trouble.
lubricated this thing?
Oh.
You see? I mastered it. This is simple then. Turn right, turn
I
left.
know, Grandma. But Grandma, what happens if you lose the key, Grandma? Then what, Grandma?
Oh, wow. Well, that's a good one.
Grandma, what if you need to share it with 5 people, Grandma? Because I only see 2 keys, Grandma.
Oh,
What if you...
we need to put
Oh,
some
Grandma, be
lubricant
careful,
there. Let's see. Okay. If you have to share it, everybody puts a key at the same end. Where you have the lock, you put the key
So
where
you
you
have to
have the
make
lock.
copies, Grandma? of
No,
the key,
no.
Grandma?
We put the key in the same place
Yeah, well,
next to the lock.
Everyone's getting...
We put the key next to the lock.
Oh, okay, Grandma. Okay, Grandma.
Oh, wow. You need to lubricate
Look,
it.
Scout.
this
Look,
way.
look.
We need to lubricate
Yeah,
it.
open it, Grandma. Open it.
Oh, look, look, and then you can show. Look, see, look.
No.
And there you go, Grandma.
Yes.
Wow, you did it,
No,
Grandma.
I need to lubricate this one.
You need it, Grandma.
That's why it's so hard. We need to lubricate it. It's drying up.
Grandma,
Let's don't
Educational,
lose a
Grandma.
cake. Yes.
Grandma, was this educational, Grandma?
Yes, I like this one. This is, I will rate this one, it's too slow.
Okay, Grandma.
For grandmas, this one's is
Okay,
better.
Grandma. All right, no, thank you, Grandma, for being, for helping me, Grandma.
Yes.
You open the lock, Grandma. Okay. Bye, Grandma. Bye, bye.
Oh, I was so stressed.